somewhere that I come to de-stress, so it's provided a bit of balance to my weekly life.
It's helped me change my life. So I've lost 60 kilos now, and it's just helped me turn my life around and get a whole new lease on life.
It's helped me get involved in the community from moving down from Sydney, and just keeps me active.
I love Elements for Life. I love the Train for Life philosophy.
I think the teamwork, the team that are here, all the trainers, they make it really fun to be here.
The coaches, they keep me motivated, they make me work hard, which I really enjoy.
I have been able to push my limits a long way.
I like the fact that it's a community and that people here are generally rally around and help you when you're maybe not feeling the best to do your workout.
The community, everyone's welcome of all fitness levels and you feel like you're part of the community.
The variety and just the team members.
Probably the coaches. They're people who really care about your own development and they know what they're talking about.
I feel a better person, I've got more energy.
It's the community. So we were talking, what makes a house a home? It's the people, right? And that's what we think when we think about Elements for Life. Because every gym has the same equipment, but what makes it special is when you come here and you feel like you belong and you keep on pushing your boundaries and everybody encourages you. The support is there.
Love PT because it really is tailored towards me, particularly because I'm coming back from injury.
It's a variety of classes that I find great here, and also the equipment.
Gives me the variety in training that I need. I used to train on my own a lot. Coming down here it made it a lot easier because of the variety of what we do.
Elements for Life keeps me fit. It's a great atmosphere with a lot of friendly people, and I like the variety of the classes, so it keeps me coming to the gym.
The community, it's somewhere that welcomes people of all fitness levels and all fitness goals.
Probably the coaches, they know their stuff and they care about everyone's well-being and progress.
I like the environment and the community. It's like a family-oriented gym.
Elements for Life for me has changed my life, so now I can do stuff that I could never do before.
Community.
Fun, strength.
Well, community.